Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clone app in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and you want to clone your apps, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for advanced features. Here's that, tap on it. And here just look for dual messenger, just tap on it. And here you will get all of your messenger apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. You can easily enable dual apps or clone apps for them, but you can't clone your other apps. You just have to enable the setting for the app, then tap on install, then tap on confirm, and here just select next, then select OK. And here you can see that turning on here. Second copy of Facebook has installed. You can easily install it for WhatsApp. Just enable that setting for WhatsApp, then select install. And after that, our cloned app has been ready. Now let's check. Here's the Facebook app, and here's the clone Facebook app. You can see here's the WhatsApp, and here we will get the clone WhatsApp app just like this. So that's how you can easily get clone apps in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.